Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and today I wanted to show you a couple of ways you can roll to get some really good myofascial therapy in, spinal rotation and upper cervical neck spinal rotation, because your upper cervical is still your spine. So we're gonna learn how to mobilize our neck and our spine, which is the same thing, and we're gonna do some myofascial therapy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start out with the elbow roll. So we're gonna lie like Superman on the floor, and all you're gonna do is you're gonna take your right elbow, you're gonna look at it, and you're gonna watch it touch the floor behind you. And this feels amazing. I mean, just doing this feels so wonderful. But what happens is we're getting great neck mobility, we're activating our vestibular system, we're developing our balance, but we're also mobilizing our spine, we're teaching our vertebrae, ensuring that they can rotate. Rotation helps keep them healthy. But you're also gonna notice the ground is hard or firm, and your muscles are rolling against the ground, and it gives some good myofascial therapy. Or it just creates good pressure, like a massage, and it feels wonderful. So it's a great way to loosen up your legs and your lats. It just feels so good. It's like you're using your body to roll on top of the earth, where the earth is the foam roller. Instead of using a foam roller to roll you, you're rolling, and the earth is the foam roller, if that makes any sense. All right, so we can actually do this though and get more mobility out of the neck. Right now I'm watching, and I'm rotating my neck, yes, and I'm watching my elbow, and that is great vestibular activation. But if I fix my eyes on you, and I do it, well now, I'm rolling underneath my neck, and I'm getting more neck mobility. And this is kind of a cool challenge, and it feels pretty neat. So that's another way to do the same thing in a different way, to really get some mobility in your neck. So that's our tip today. This feels amazing on its own. You just keep your lower body relaxed, and you just roll from side to side, taking your elbow to the floor. And you can also do the same thing while you keep your gaze fixed at a point in front of you to get extra neck mobility out of it. All right, guys, that's our tip for this week, the really awesome feel-good elbow roll with 2 ways to do it. All right, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification.